Oh, look at this beauty. Isn't it sweet? This is what they call the Mexican olive. Oh yeah. We have a lot of plants and flowers with Mexican in their names here in Florida. Similar climate, I suppose. Anyway, look at this beauty. Doesn't it look like a little flower a Mexican señorita would have in her hair? Yeah. So pretty. And, you know, at a distance I was like, oh, this looks like actually a bush I have near my place, which is a big gardenia. And I'm thinking, is that a huge gardenia? But no, it's a Mexican olive. Isn't it sweet? Ah, yeah. All right, step out in it, see what you see today. This is IAM Nancy, the Nature Girl, having a beautiful summer day. Bye now.